energy brings you quality choices with Goy Super XP. Available in many Goy stations nationwide. It is fortified with special additives that help your engine perform better and use less fuel. Branch into a Goy station today and energize your ride with Goy Super XP, compatible with most vehicles. Goy Super XP, Ufilia, huh? Ubefi. Goy, good energy. Yeah.
She's coming. She's coming.
Oh, it's in.
Red out receipt now!
Boss, you like my bag?
Okay, here. Take this.
She's coming.
I know. Go to the pharmacy now.
She's coming. Oh. She's here.
Pay faster, pay safer, and pay easy with Momo app. Download now and pay with the QR code, merchant ID, and so much more.
You are welcome to contest number 7 of the 2025 Goy Ashanti Regional Championship of the National Science and Math Quiz. You're welcome to contest number 7 of the 2025 Goy Ashanti Regional Championship of the National Science and Math Quiz. Today, our contest is featuring Nsutaman Catholic Senior High School, Kumasi High School, KNUST Senior High School, and St. Hubert Seminary Senior High School. We'll now meet our contestants. From Nsutaman Catholic Senior High School, we have
Asafo Ejei Nyantechi
and
Ousu Arden Edmond.
from Kumasi High School, we have
Ejei Enoch
and
Osei Eric Ejei.
then from KNUST Senior High School, we have
Mohammed Abdul Hamid.
and
Afo Maxwell.
then representing St. Hubert Seminary Senior High School, we have
Asari Robin Thomas Jr.
and
Gola Rosario Squisi.
you are welcome, contestants. The Goy Regional Championship is proudly sponsored by Goy PLC with support from Momo, by MTN, and Joy News. We say a big thank you to Charles for preparing our brilliant contestants to be here for this competition. My name is Dr. Gladys Odeshringa, your quiz mistress, and this is a primetime production. Contestants, We have 4 rounds of competition. Each has its rules. But in all rounds, you're going to answer questions from physics, chemistry, biology, and mathematics. You have 10 seconds for questions not involving calculations and 30 for those involving calculations. Should you be asked to repeat your answer, kindly repeat. Don't change your answer. In round 1, each school will get a question at a time. You answer correctly for a maximum of 3 points. When you are wrong, or you don't answer and the bell goes out on you, another school may then ring the bell to answer correctly for a bonus point or lose a point when they are wrong. Please, wait for the school that answered to be told they are wrong before you ring the bell. Or when they are not answering, wait for the bell to go out on them, then you ring your bell. Anything but that, you won't be allowed to answer. You need the bells to alert me. So let's ring our bells, make sure all our bells are working well. Nsutaman, Kumasi High, KNUST, St. Hubert. Good. All our bells are working well. Contestants, I wish you the best in this round. We'll start with the first round, and I'll be starting with Nsutaman Catholic Senior High School. Round 1. Nsutaman, what is the lichen body predominantly made of?
The fungi.
Incorrect. Kumasi High.
Algae and fungi.
Incorrect. Kumasi High. Name one organism involved in the lichen association apart from fungi.
An algae.
An alga, that is correct. Name one growth form of lichens. That's to UK and UST. Name one growth form of lichens. Go ahead. Yes, Kumasi High.
Folios.
Correct. St. Hubert. St. Hubert. What name is given to the bodies of lichens? Yes.
We have the microbiont and the phycobiont.
You have the what?
Microbiont and the phycobiont.
No. Thalai, that's the answer. In Nsutaman, the predominant body of the lichen, so the body of the lichen is predominantly made of the fungal hyphae. I'll give them 2 for their answer. It's a fungal hyphae, which is provided by the fungus anyway. Preamble to all schools. For this set, they need 30 seconds. Identify the chemical species with the given characteristics. Identify the chemical species with the given characteristics. Nsutaman, mass number 33, neutron number 16, number of electrons 18. Yes, Nyantechi.
Cl minus.
Correct. Kumasi High. Mass number 59. Neutron number 30. Number of electrons 27. Go ahead.
Copper 2 plus.
Correct. KNUST. Mass number 80. Neutron number 45. Number of electrons 35. Yes, Mohammed.
Bomin.
Correct. St. Hubert. Mass number 88. Neutron number 50. Number of electrons 36.
SR2 plus.
Correct. Preamble to all schools. Solve the equation if one root is thrice the other and the roots are positive. Solve the equation if one root is thrice the other and the roots are positive. Nsutaman, x squared plus kx plus 12 equals 0.
So the equation is x squared plus 3x plus 12.
It is not an equation, so you don't get it. That's incorrect. St. Hubert.
X is equal to 2 or X is equal to 6.
Incorrect. Kumasi High. X squared plus kx plus 48 equals 0. Go ahead.
4 and 12.
Correct. KNUST. X squared plus kx plus 27 equals 0. Yes, Maxwell.
3 and 9.
Correct. St. Hubert. X squared plus kx plus 108 equals 0.
Six and 18.
6 and
18.
correct. So in Nsutaman, your answers were 2 and 6. Betelgeuse, a red supergiant in the constellation of Orion, is estimated to have a mass of 3 by 10 to the power 31 kilograms and a radius of 5 by 10 to the power 11 meters. Estimate the gravitational potential due to Betelgeuse, the given distance from its center. Preamble again. Betelgeuse, a red supergiant in the constellation of Orion, is estimated to have a mass of 3 by 10 to the power 31 kilograms and a radius of 5 by 10 to the power 11 meters. Estimate the gravitational potential due to Betelgeuse, the given distance from its center. In Nsutaman, 1 by 10 to the power 15 meters. Yes, Nyantechi.
9.86 meter per second squared.
9.86
meter per second squared.
Incorrect. Yes, Kumasi High.
2 by 10 exponent negative 9 volt.
Incorrect. Kumasi High. 3, same preamble, 3 by 10 to the power 16 meters. Yes, Eric.
Okay, we have 8 by 10 to an exponent of negative 1 volt.
Incorrect. Five seconds gone already. KNUST, 7 by 10 to the power 14 meters. Yes, Maxwell.
2 by 10 raised to an exponent of positive 31 joule per kilogram.
Incorrect. St. Hubert, I need you to bring down your microphone. Just leave it at one position, okay? St. Hubert, with the same preamble, 5 by 10 to the power 15 meters.
So we have it to negative 4 by 10 raised to an exponent of positive 5 joule per kilogram.
Incorrect. In Nsutaman, your answer should have been negative 2 megajoule per kilogram. Kumasi High, negative 70 kilojoules per kilogram. KNUST, negative 3 megajoules per kilogram. St. Hubert, negative 400 kilojoules per kilogram. This is a common request of all of you. When I get to you, give me your answer. Give one type of information that can be derived from a Punnett square. Give one type of information that can be derived from a Punnett square. Yes, in Nsutaman.
Okay, so it can be, its results can be used to estimate the population density.
No. Yes, Kumasi.
The phenotypic ratio.
What?
Phenotypic ratio.
Phenotypic ratio, no. KNUST.
It is used to check the percentages of individuals having the...
Percentage, please speak into the mic.
It is used to determine the percentage of individuals with certain genotypes and phenotypes.
No. St. Hubert. St. Hubert.
The Punnett square, it is used to predict the possible genotypes and phenotypes of the cross between two parents.
No. I thought this one would have been an easy one for you. So let's look at what you are expected to give. The Punnett square, when you look at it, it will give you the genotype of the parents. It will give you the phenotype of the parents. It will also give you the possible combination of offspring genotype. Also give possible combination of offspring phenotype. It will give you offspring phenotypic ratios and would also give you offspring genotypic ratios. Now let's analyze your answers that you gave me. Nsutaman said results can be used for population density. I'm asking you what you can get from the Punnett square, so that doesn't count. Now, Kumasi High gave me phenotypic ratio of what? Then KNUST said would determine the percentage of individuals with certain genotypes and phenotypes. Which individuals are you talking about? Then St. Hubert, you gave me can be used to predict possible genotype and phenotype of a cross between two parents. The phenotype and genotypes are not of the cross. It will give you the phenotype and genotype of parents and then those of the offspring, not the cross. So none of you is getting. For this set, you have 30 seconds, and there's a preamble. Determine the molecular formula and most likely class of the hydrocarbon described. Determine the molecular formula and most likely class of the hydrocarbon described. In Nsutaman, a hydrocarbon has molecular mass 86 grams per mole and contains 72 grams of carbon. Go ahead, Nyantechi.
So the molecular formula is C6H14, and it is an alkane.
Correct. Kumasi High. A hydrocarbon has molecular mass 94 grams per mole and contains 84 grams of carbon. Yes, Eric.
The molecular formula is C7H10, and the class is cycloalkyne.
Incorrect. Oh, you got one part correct, so I'll give you 2 out of 3. KNUST. An organic compound has molecular mass 108 grams per mole and contains 96 grams of carbon. Go ahead, Maxwell.
The molecular formula is C8H12, and the class is a substituted cycloalkane.
No. So you also get 2. St. Hubert. A hydrocarbon has molecular mass 140 grams per mole and contains 120 grams of carbon. Yes.
So the molecular formula is C10H20, and this is an alkene.
Correct. So Kumasi High School and KNUST, your class of hydrocarbon, alkyne, for both of you. Preamble to all schools. Evaluate the limit. Evaluate the limit. In Nsutaman, the limit as x approaches 3 of the fraction with numerator x squared plus 3x minus 18 and denominator x minus 3. Go ahead.
9.
Correct. Kumasi High. The limit as x approaches -2 of the fraction with numerator x squared minus 3x minus 10 and denominator x plus 2.
-7.
Correct. KNUST. Limit as x approaches -1 of the fraction. Numerator is x squared minus 3x minus 4. Denominator is x plus 1. Go ahead.
-5.
Correct. St. Hubert. Limit as x approaches 4 of the fraction with numerator x squared minus x minus 12. Denominator x minus 4.
Seven.
Correct. Preamble to all schools. A simple harmonic oscillator is composed of a mass m and a spring of spring constant 200 newtons per meter in series with a second spring of spring constant 300 newtons per meter. Find the angular frequency of the oscillator for the given value of m. Preamble again. A simple harmonic oscillator is composed of a mass m and a spring of spring constant 200 newtons per meter in series with a second spring of spring constant 300 newtons per meter. Find the angular frequency of the oscillator for the given value of m. Nsutaman, 30 kilograms. Yes.
6 rad per second.
Incorrect. Kumasi High.
2 radians per second.
Correct. Kumasi High. 5/6 kilogram.
Radians per second.
Correct. KNUST, 6/5 kilogram. Yes, Maxwell.
10 rad per second.
Correct. St. Hubert, 15/2 kilograms. Go ahead, Rosarius.
4 radian per second.
Correct. That's the end of the first round.
Good energy brings you quality choices with Goy Super XP. Available in many Goy stations nationwide. It is fortified with special additives that help your engine perform better and use less fuel. Branch into a Goy station today and energize your ride with Goy Super XP, compatible with most vehicles. Goy Super XP will feel ya, huh? Will be feel. Goy, good energy. Ja, dia.
She's coming. She's coming.
Oh, it's in.
Red hour received no!
Boss, select your bag.
Okay, here. Take this.
She's
go to the
coming.
I know. Go to the pharmacy now.
She's coming. Oh. She's here.
Pay faster, pay safer, and pay easy with Momo app. Download now and pay with the QR code, merchant ID, and so much more.
some challenge address. So the first one is from Kumasi High. They gave me the formula and they told me the class was cycloalkynes. Cycloalkynes, the answer is alkyne. Cycloalkyne, then it could be another form of alkyne too. You were too specific, so you weren't getting it. But consultant says you can get. But the school that got the KNUST, you are not getting because you gave me substituted. You are not getting. So please don't bring a challenge. Now, find the gravitational potential. St. Hubert, you get it. You get it. Usually, when you give figures that are different from what I have to finish the round and then take a look at it. So you get it. Yes, the maths. You were to find the roots. So if you give me one or the other, you were taking it for a bonus. If it were your main question, I would have given you partial points. But if you give me 2 or 6, then it is one or the other. You have roots 2 and 6, so you are not getting it. Then St. Hubert, the Punnett square. So let me explain what the Punnett square is. We use the Punnett square for crossing. So you have the parental genotype, sometimes you have the phenotypes also showing. So you have the maternal and the paternal, then the crosses. Depending on the information that the maternal and the paternal rows and columns have, you get particular information for the offspring. So if you have phenotypes, you get phenotypic information for the offspring. If you have genotype, you get genotypic information for the offspring. Now, so this is St. Hubert. That is the last school. You gave me predict possible genotype and phenotype of a cross between 2 parents. You are not telling me, you don't predict genotype and phenotype, even if it were the parents, you don't predict. Because you are given the genotype and phenotype of the parent. It is the cross that will tell you what will be possible for the offspring. So you are not predicting, even if it were the parent. But yours even said it was a prediction of a cross. So you are not getting it. You are not getting it. Then, Kumasi High, you gave me phenotypic ratio. Phenotypic ratio of what? I asked this earlier. Phenotypic ratio of what? So I can't give to you. Thank you. At the end of the first round, Nsutaman Catholic Senior High School had 11 points. KNUST Senior High School had 14 points. St. Hubert Seminary Senior High School had 17 points. And Kumasi High School had 19 points. Contestants, we continue with the second round. In this round, we have the speed race. Your speed will count here. I'll give all schools a question at a time. and you may take turns in answering. If you are the first school to answer correctly, you earn 3 points. When you are wrong, second school answers correctly, 2 points. When they are wrong, third school answers correctly for 1 point. When they are also wrong, fourth school may answer correctly for 1 point. Anytime you get it wrong, you lose a point. In this round, you can stop me at any time. And by stopping me, you should have your answer ready. Because as soon as you ring a bell, another school has lost 1 point. So when you ring the bell, you have 3 seconds within which to start giving me an answer. Starting with Madam, and we have, it is, you haven't started giving the answer. If the bell goes out on you, I'll move on to the next school if there is any. Again, you complete your calculations before you ring the bell, because I won't wait for you to be calling out the answer as you calculate. I'll move on to the next school. Be ready with your answer before you press the bell. I wish you all the best. We start with round 2. Name the tunnel-like protein complexes that are activated in cells to allow large inflow of water. Yes, KNUST. Your 3 seconds are out. Aquaporins. What is the meaning of the biological prefix SYM, S-Y-M? Yes, KNUST. It was 4 rather. St. Hubert.
Similar.
No. It is together. Our 10 seconds passed a long time ago. Name the class to which crocodiles belong. Yes, Kumasi High.
Class Reptilia.
Correct. Calculate the concentration of 18.0 cubic centimeters of hydrochloric acid solution that completely neutralizes 20.0 cubic centimeters of 0.0900. Yes, Kumasi High.
1.00 by 10 to the power of -1
Incorrect.
mole.
Incorrect. Which school? Which school rank? Another school rank. Table. Which school rank? KNUST.
0.2, how many is it? 0 mole per DMQ.
Please come again.
0.20 mole per DMQ.
Incorrect. 1. Nsutaman.
1.00 mole per decimeter cube.
Incorrect. 0.0900 mole per decimeter cube solution of sodium carbonate. Yes, St. Hubert.
0.200 mole per DMQ.
Correct. We continue. Calculate the density. Calculate the density of nitrogen gas at STP. 0.2 . 0.2 . 0.2 . 0.2 . 0.2 . 0.2 . 0.2 . 0.2 . 0.2 . 0.2 . 0.2 . 0.2 . 0.2 . 0.2 . 0.2 . 0.2 . 0.2 . 0.2 . 0.2 . 0.2 . 0.2 . 0.2 . 0.2 . 0.2 . 0.2 . 0.2 . 0.2 . 0.2 . 0.2 . 0.2 . 0.2 . 0.2 . 0.2 . 0.2 . 0.2 . 0.2 . 0.2 . 0.2 . 0.2 . 0.2 . 0.2 . 0.2 . 0.2 . 0.2 . 0.2 . 0.2 . 0.2 . 0.2 . 0.2 . 0.2 . 0.2 . 0.2 . 0.2 . 0.2 . 0.2 . 0.2 . 0.2 . 0.2 . 0.2 . 0.2 . 0.2 . 0.2 . 0.2 . 0 Yes, Nsutaman.
1.25 gram per decimeter cube.
Correct. What is the major product formed? What is the major product formed when KMNO4 reacts with 1-butan? Yes, St. Hubert.
So you have butan 2-one.
Incorrect. Nsutaman.
Butanoic acid.
Correct. Find the equation of the circle. The expression x minus 3 squared plus the expression y minus 1 squared equals 4. After a reflection in the point, yes, KNUST.
A bracket with x minus 1. Close the bracket.
You are still working out. Did another school ring? In the point P, 2, 3. Yes, St. Hubert.
Okay.
Did another school ring? Kumasi High.
Expression x minus 1. This expression squared plus another expression y minus 5. This expression squared equals 1.
That is correct. You have switched off your microphone. It is off. Put it on. It is now on.
Hello.
We continue. Find the sum of the coefficients in the expansion of the expression to the power 4, and this is the expression, x plus 3. Yes, KNUST.
256.
Correct. 2 fair dice are thrown once. Find the probability the total score is 5 or yes, KNUST.
A fraction with numerator 5 and denominator 36.
Incorrect. Or 10. Yes, St. Hubert.
We have a fraction with numerator 11 and denominator 36.
Incorrect. Who was the third? Kumasi High.
A fraction with numerator 7 and denominator 36.
Correct. Find the capacitance of a parallel plate. Please, I am reading a question. Find the capacitance of a parallel plate capacitor of plate separation 4.0 millimeters if its capacitance is 8.0 picofarad when the plate separation is 8.0 millimeters. Yes, Kumasi High.
4.0 picofarad.
Incorrect. KNUST.
4.0 by 10 raised to an exponent of negative 12 farad.
St. Hubert, incorrect.
16 picofarad. 16 picofarad.
That is correct. Find the magnitude. Find the magnitude of the force A 2-milli Tesla magnetic field exists on a 0.05 picocoulomb charged particle moving at 8 meters per second. Yes,
Okay.
St.
There is
Hubert.
8 by 10 raised to an exponent of negative 13 Newton.
Incorrect. Who was second? Kumasi High.
8 by 10 to an exponent of negative 16 newtons.
Correct. That's 0.8 femtonewton. Find the magnitude of the net force that stops a 5.0 kilogram object moving at 3. Yes, Nsutaman.
15 Newton.
Incorrect. Moving at 3.0 meters per second in 0. Yes, Kumasi High. Your time is past. 0.60 seconds. Yes, St. Hubert.
Okay, it is 9.0 Newton.
Incorrect. KNUST.
25 newtons. 25 newtons.
Speak into the mic.
25 newtons.
Correct. That's the end of the speed race.
Good energy brings you quality choices with Goy Super XP. Available in many Goy stations nationwide. It is fortified with special additives that help your engine perform better and use less fuel. Branch into a Goy station today and energize your ride with Goy Super XP, compatible with most vehicles. Goy Super XP, Wufilia, huh? Wubefeel. Goy, good energy. Ja, ja, ja.
She's coming. She's coming!
Oh, it's in.
Radar received no! Before we continue, Nsutaman would like to make a change. They are bringing in Mendy for Osweje Edmond to go out. Thank you for being with us, Edmond. You are welcome, Mendy. So at the end of round 2, KNUST Senior High School and St. Hubert Seminary Senior High School each had 13 points. Nsutaman Catholic Senior High School had 14 points, and Kumasi High School had 23 points. So we continue with round 3. In this round, I'll give each school a statement. Please. Kumasi High. Please. Thank you. In this round, I'll give each school a statement. You tell me whether your statement is true or false. When you're right, 2 points for you. When you're wrong, you lose a point. You may not answer. Then the bell will go out on you. After that, another school can ring the bell to answer correctly for the 2 points or lose a point when they are wrong. So I wish you the best for the 3rd round. And please, keep your eyes on me. We start round 3. I'm starting with Nsutaman. Chromatins form DNA.
True.
Incorrect. Okay, we continue. Kumasi High. DNA form chromatins.
True.
Correct. KNUST. DNA in chromatins have packing proteins. Yes, Maxwell.
False.
Correct. St. Hubert. DNA in chromatins have packaging proteins.
False.
Incorrect. In Nsutaman, magnesium forms a peroxide when burned in oxygen.
False.
Correct. Kumasi High. In peroxides, oxygen has an oxidation number of -1.
True.
Correct. KNUST. The formation of superoxides is more likely with alkali metals. Go ahead, Maxwell.
False.
Incorrect. St. Hubert. Potassium superoxide can release oxygen when it reacts with water.
False.
Incorrect. In Nsutaman, if x is less than -2, then x squared is greater than 4.
True.
Correct. Kumasi High. If x squared is greater than 4, then x is less than -2.
False.
Correct. KNUST. If x is greater than -2, then x squared is greater than 0.
False.
Correct. St. Hubert. If x squared is less than 9, then negative 3 is less than x less than 3.
True.
Correct. Audience, please stop there. I'm hearing all of them. You say some when some schools are answering. When others are answering, you don't say anything. Please stop it. Preamble to all schools. In a canoe cycle, in Nsutaman, heat is injected along an isotherm.
True.
Correct. Kumasi High. Work is done along an isotherm.
False.
Correct. KNUST. An equal amount of heat is rejected as is injected.
False.
Correct. St. Hubert. An equal amount of work is done as the amount of heat injected.
False.
Correct. In Nsutaman, ecosystems are terrestrial.
False.
Incorrect. Kumasi High, ecosystems are aquatic.
True.
Correct. KNUST, aquatic ecosystems are varied.
True.
Correct. St. Hubert, terrestrial ecosystems are uniform.
False.
Correct. In Nsutaman, ionic compounds conduct electricity in the solid state due to free moving electrons.
False.
Correct. Are you okay? You need water? Okay, we continue. Kumasi High. Graphite conducts electricity because its electrons are free to move within its layers.
True.
Kumasi High.
True.
Correct. KNUST. Metals conduct electricity in both solid and molten states. Go ahead, Maxwell.
True.
Correct. St. Hubert. Molten sodium chloride conducts electricity due to the movement of free ions.
True.
Correct. Mandy, should we bring you some water? You are fine. Good. In Nsutaman, cos of A plus B, so cos of the expression A plus B equals cos A cos B plus sine A sine B.
False.
Correct. Kumasi High. Sine of the expression A minus B equals sine A cos B plus cos A sine B.
False.
Correct. KNUST. Tan of the expression A plus B equals tan A plus B, tan A plus tan B over 1 plus tan A tan B.
False.
Correct. St. Hubert. Cos 2A equals 2 cos squared A minus 1.
True.
Correct. In Nsutaman, the wave fronts of a plane wave are plane surfaces perpendicular to the direction of wave propagation.
False.
Incorrect. Kumasi High, a wave front of a plane wave is a surface of constant phase.
True.
Correct. KNUST, the wave fronts of a plane wave travel at the phase speed of the wave. Maxwell.
False.
Incorrect. St. Hubert, the wave fronts of a plane wave intersect at points far away from the source of waves.
True.
Incorrect. That's the end of the third round.
Boss, you like your bag?
Here, take this.
She's
go to the
coming.
I know. Go to the pharmacy now.
She's coming! Oh, she's here.
Pay faster, pay safer, and pay easy with Momo app. Download now and pay with the QR code, merchant ID, and so much more.
St. Hubert Seminary Senior High School had 20 points. Nsutaman Catholic Senior High School had 21 points. KNUST Senior High School had 23 points. And Kumasi High School had 39 points. This is the fourth and final round. In this round, I have 4 riddles for you to solve. But Goy has a message for you. There's a Goy Riddle Bonanza. And this will reward a school that is able to solve either all 4 of the riddles correctly or 3 of them correctly. If you're able to solve 3 correctly, you earn 200 cedis. This goes to the team. If you are able to solve all 4 correctly, you earn 400 cedis. This goes to the team. The Goy Riddle Bonanza is proudly sponsored by Goy PLC, Good Energy. So, I'm going to give you clues to help you solve the riddle. If you are able to solve on the first clue, you earn 5 points. Second clue, 4 points. Third, to the very last, 3 points. Each riddle comes to all of you, so you may take turns. If you don't get it when you ring the bell, you just sit out till the riddle is solved. You may join when there is another. You ring the bell at any time you feel you are ready with your solution. So I wish you the best. Riddle, riddle. I am a tuber. I'm actually the same species of a tuber you may regularly consume. However, I am not as brightly colored. I produce a well-loved carbohydrate. Yes, in Nsutaman.
Sweet potato.
No. This carbohydrate is usually produced from a giant grass? Yes, Kumasi High.
Cassava.
No, please. From a giant grass in the tropics, in the temperate areas, and the source of this sweet carbohydrate. Who am I? Yes, St. Hubert.
Potato.
No, please. KNUST.
Potato.
No. Let me try and explain this one to you. So I'm a tuber, right? Actually, the same species of another tuber you may regularly consume. That doesn't give you anything, but I am not as brightly colored. I produce a well-loved carbohydrate. So this species that is regularly consumed, this same species that is regularly consumed is actually beetroot. Beetroot. That's not the answer. That's not the answer. The beetroot is the one that is brightly colored. And the well-loved carbohydrate that is produced from the same species is sugar. And we are saying that the carbohydrate is usually produced from a giant grass. That is, it's usually from sugarcane, right? Which is a giant grass. But in the temperate areas, they don't have sugarcane. They have sugar beet. So the answer is sugar beet. I am a property of atomic nuclei. I help define isotopes of an element. I'm equivalent to mass number. Yes, Kumasi High.
Nucleon number.
Nucleon number is correct. Three points. I am a transformation. I am a transformation. I am not a rigid body transformation. Hence, the object and its image are not congruent under me. However, the object and its image are similar. Yes, Kumasi High.
Translation.
No, please. However, or did anyone else ring? However, the object and its image are similar. I preserve shape. Yes, Nsutaman.
Enlargement.
No, please. I preserve shape, but not size. I may be an enlargement or a reduction. Who am I? Yes, St. Hubert.
Transformation.
No, I've told you I'm a rigid body transformation. Yes, KNUST.
Linear transformation.
No. I am dilation. I am a mechanical state of an object. I may be static. I may be dynamic. Yes, St. Hubert.
Equilibrium.
No. I am specified by zero net torque. Yes, Kumasi High.
Rotational equilibrium.
Correct. That's the end of the contest.
Energy brings you quality choices with Goy Super XP. Available in many Goy stations nationwide. It is fortified with special additives that help your engine perform better and use less fuel. Branch into a Goy station today and energize your ride with Goy Super XP, compatible with most vehicles. Goy Super XP will feel ya, huh? Will be feel. Goy, good energy. Yeah, yeah.
Our contest is over. Our contest is over. And at the end, St. Hubert Seminary Senior High School had 20 points. Nsutaman Catholic Senior High School had 21 points. KNUST Senior High School had 23 points. So we bid farewell to Nsutaman, KNUST, and St. Hubert Seminary Senior High Schools. Kumasi High School, congratulations. You won the contest with 45 points. Unfortunately for this contest, no one won the Goy Radio Bonanza. So, Kumasi High School, congratulations again for winning the contest. You have qualified to the next stage of competition. I wish you the best as you prepare for your next contest. Thank you all for joining us for this contest. The Goy Regional Championship is proudly sponsored by Goy PLC with support from Momo by MTN and Joy News. I am Dr. Gladys Odeshringa, your quiz mistress. This is a primetime production. Bye for now.